Do we chase shiny objects or the next best thing in safety? I do a lot of work in critical risk and I review a lot of fatality reports, and it shows that we still don't have the fundamentals in place, like supervision, task risk management, planning, focusing on controls, basic safety and health management systems, and I see this day in and day out. And then at the same time, I see concepts such as Safety 2, high reliability organisational theory, HOP, learning teams, which when you look into them, they're great programs, and I believe they have a time and place, yet I fear that we're looking to implement these systems onto a weak foundation. An example, there was the Brady report into mining fatalities in December 2019 and showed a number of structural failures around the basics. And one of the recommendations was to implement high reliability organisational theory. And there was a number of consultants, there was a number of academia and universities got on board and brought the frameworks out, and there was a lot of activities from the different areas. Yet here we are in 2024, and are we any the wiser? If I go around to the different mine sites in Queensland and say, are you HRO? They're like, no, I don't even know what it is. And then my reflection is, well, why did we do that in the first place? Did we get distracted? Did we put our energy and efforts into the wrong area when maybe the opportunity for us could have been, well, look, that's great, but we're going to focus on these foundations first and then look for these opportunities. And that's what I'm learning and seeing now. Are we getting distracted? Are we chasing the shiny objects? Are we chasing the next best thing where really we should be focusing on the basics and the foundations? And if that's the case, why is that? Why aren't we focusing on the basics? So that's my reflection today. I'm out in nature, and I'm always keen to hear your thoughts and what you have to say about this. Thank you. Bye-bye.